Lucia Ferrara. I'm Director of Hospitality here at the Precious Blood Renewal Center, and I welcome you to our kitchen and our campus here today. So I know that everyone starts out the new year with a bunch of resolutions and diets and exercise and all these healthy habits. Well, for me, it's really, I'm trying to do a lifestyle change. So, because I don't want to call it a diet and I don't want to call it a New Year's resolution. So, for me, I want to take this year on as a lifestyle change. So, I was doing some research with my daughter, and we found this recipe for overnight breakfast oats. And so we kind of modified it a little bit to kind of suit our taste and our life. So I kind of came up with this. And so what we have here is what we call overnight breakfast oats. But really it is so good that you can have it really any time of day, really. If you want an afternoon snack, or if you want to have it at night before you go to bed, you know, whatever. All you need is a mason jar, and this one is a, let's see, this one is a 5-cup mason jar, and so you'll need a mason jar. You're going to need some rolled oats. So I got the organic kind. You can get any kind of old-fashioned oats. Do not use quick oats, because that's not going to work. But the rolled oats are really good, or the old-fashioned oats. If you like the texture of chia seeds in your mix, you can use these. I like them because it does, it's simple and it's just something to throw in there, and we know it's really good for you too. You're going to need some vanilla extract. You're going to need honey. Now, I use the organic wildflower honey or agave honey. You can use any honey that you have at home, okay, that you have on the shelf. Then you can use cinnamon, which we're going to put some of that in there. We're going to put some, now this is completely optional, is the almonds. Now, you can use sliced almonds, you can use whole almonds, you can use whatever kind of almonds or nut, or you don't have to put them in there. I kind of like the added benefit of the almonds because they say if you have at least 10 almonds a day, it's good for the heart. Okay? So then you're going to use non-fat Greek yogurt. Now you can use, really you can use any flavor, but what's best is just the plain or the vanilla. Okay? Now, I tried it with the plain, and I personally didn't like that. It wasn't enough flavor for me, even though I used the vanilla. So I've been going with the vanilla now, the vanilla yogurt, and it's really, really good. Now, you can use any kind of milk. So you're going to use about a half a cup of milk, and you can use almond milk, you can use soy milk, you can use low-fat milk, you can use vitamin D milk, 2%, whatever floats your boat, you can use on the milk. Again, you're going to have your rolled oats, and to top it all off, you're going to put your favorite kind of fruit. So today I'm using blueberries, but we've used let's see, we've used strawberries, we've used apples, we've used blackberries. We've also put in bananas and strawberries, or we just put in some apples in there. Really, it's a mixture, whatever you feel you want for that fruit, for those antioxidants and stuff. So, okay. Now, so here we go to mix everything up together. So first we're going to do this. We're going to put in our oats. So I'm going to put in a half a cup of oats, my rolled oats in my jar. All right. Then I'm going to put 1/4 of a cup of my yogurt. Now, I love oats and I love yogurt. Sometimes if I want a bigger jar, I'm going to put a little bit more in. Or you could double the recipe anyway. So we're going to put the yogurt in there. All right. Then you're going to top that off with your half a cup of milk. Okay. Then I'm going to add about a half a teaspoonful of my chia seeds. Okay. Then I'm going to put in about a half a teaspoonful of vanilla extract. Kind of gives it a little bit of flavor there. And then if you want some added sweetener, you can use your honey. Honey comes with a lot of benefits to your health. So I don't really measure it. I just kind of pour it in there like this, which probably equals about a teaspoon to a tablespoonful of honey. And then cinnamon. Put about a teaspoonful of your cinnamon. Okay. So we'll put that in there. And I am going to put my blueberries. So I'm going to put these all in here. And the blueberries are about, I don't know, half a cup. Okay? And then I'm going to top it off with my almonds. Okay? Very, very, very simple. Very nutritious and yummy. You are going to pop this into the refrigerator overnight. And then we'll be back with your rolled oats breakfast. Doesn't that look pretty? Alrighty, so guys, here's the big reveal. Here is our breakfast in a jar, okay? Our oats in a jar, whatever you want to call it, breakfast in a jar. These are wonderful because you can make these a couple days ahead, put them in the fridge, and just on your way out to work, to school, wherever you need to go, run errands, and you're hungry, you just take it, pop your lid off, and voila. Here is your rolled oats. Okay? And it is so good. So it's just, some people say, can I put it in a bowl? Does it need to be microwaved? Does it need, no, you just stick it in the refrigerator overnight, take it out when you're ready to eat. And if you're on, these are great for on the go, okay? They're also good for kids when you're going to their games or whatever. They need a little extra pick-me-up instead of junk food. You can prep some of these maybe on a smaller scale and take them with them. But these are really healthy and great to eat, and they're very tasty. And so I just kind of mix it up here before I start, and grab some of those oats on the bottom, my blueberries, and here we go. Very, very good. Very good. You can taste the vanilla. The oats are just right. The berries are still very fresh. You get the crunch from the almonds. One thing I didn't mention earlier is that you can use frozen fruit. I tend to go with the strawberry, blackberries, or blueberries if I'm doing them frozen. But otherwise, this is a great fruit option. So I want to invite everyone to get into their life-changing routine for the better for the new upcoming year. And I found a New Year's blessing prayer from a book that one of our close friends, the community, left here for us to use. And it says here, a New Year's blessing prayer. Lord, you live outside of time and reside in the imperishable moment. We ask your blessings upon this new year, upon your gift to us of time. Bless us that you may kindly direct us to observe the passing of minutes and hours in life. May they make us aware of the miracle of each second of life we experience. May we ever be free from being clock watchers instead of becoming time lovers. Bless our calendars. Bless these ordered lists of days, weeks, and months of holidays, holy days, fast, and feast, and all of our special days of remembering. May these servants, our calendars, once reserved for the royal few, for magi and pyramid priests, now grace our homes and our lives. May they remind us of birthdays and other gift days, as they teach us the secret that all life is meant for celebration and contemplation. Bless, Lord, this new year, each of its 365 days and nights. Bless us with new moons and full moons. Bless us with happy seasons and a long life. Grant to us, Lord, the New Year's gift of a year of love and health for all. So thank you, everyone, for joining me today and showing you my little New Year's change of life breakfast here, fruit, whatever you want to call it, smoothie in a jar. And I also welcome you to the Precious Blood Renewal Center, and come enjoy some of our events and programs throughout the year.